And they say you should be very careful picking your partners, not just in business, in life.
Talk about your team a lot. What steps do you take to choose your teams?
Well, first of all, I have very good partners. So the restaurant, and they say you should be very careful picking your partners, not just in business, in life. Your mates, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife. These are big key decisions.
Definitely.
Get those wrong, and it's hard to recover. So my partner in the restaurant is a lad called Pawar. I've known him for 35 years of my life. We play racquetball. We've been on holiday. We've grown up. His skill set's very different to mine. He's a manager of an asset. He's a very good financial manager. He lives and breathes day-to-day business. So he fitted in terms of managing it for me, because that's not my skill set. And then below that, we had people that were trained in Dubai and India, worked in top restaurants, and I felt they would make a really good team for us. So what I really did was create a reputation for the restaurant, had a very good partner and manager financially in it, and then we had operational people that were second to none in Birmingham, and you put all of that together, it's not difficult. But that formula is in our auction business. That's run by my nephew and his team. They've got over 100 years of experience, so we've surrounded ourselves with an experienced team. Their market reputation and their service on the day is why they're one of the leading auction houses in the UK as well.